what's up, bass heads? All right, this is the Bass God. Got the Pride Solo 60 horn tweeter, as y'all see right here. Has a Neo magnet, 60 watts RMS, 4 ohms, made in Russia. All right, the Pride Solo 60 also comes with a grill cover that you can place on here so you can have the nice flush look. Almost kind of works as a flared horn. Pretty nice. All right, it also comes with some capacitors too. That ranges from 3,000 hertz to 20 kilohertz, 20,000 kilohertz. All right, it's approximately 3.1 inches in diameter. So that's from this point to this point. It's about 2.2 inches in height. All right, if you guys are interested in the Solo 60s, all right, DM me and I'll get you squared away.